Crikey! We're out here in the Crystal River, down in Florida. Crystal water, 74-degree temperatures. Alligators not seen yet, but we're gonna find one. We will find one soon, I promise. Crikey, look, we got the swing, the elusive Weeki Wachi spring swing. We're gonna go up it right now, watch. Alright, so what we learned we gotta go up a little higher.
And lift your feet.
And lift your feet. Go! So you were a little nervous at first going out for this. You didn't want to get out of your boat and do it, but now you see everyone doing it. What made you change your mind?
Well, I had my kid. That was the main reason why I didn't get out of the boat.
No, you're a chicken shit. That's the main reason. Not seen any manatees or alligators yet, but we're getting there.
Manatees are vegetarians. They're very flatulent. You can see they fart.
Ooh, they fart a lot.
So what you look for is you look for bubbles.
Lots of bubbles. Hey!
The first time around, flipped the boat with my kid. Other than that, it's pretty good.
And now he doesn't trust you anymore, I heard.
No, he doesn't trust me.
Oh, that couldn't take it. He just passed out on the kayak. So no manatees. We didn't find the elusive alligator, but we still had fun on the Weeki Wachi Springs and swimming in the water, and hopefully we'll come back next time and we'll find that elusive alligator and the manatees.